All right, here's a video of progress so far. So the Airstream has basically been gone through. The subfloor has been gone through. So all of the rotten pieces have been literally hammered out with a freaking claw hammer, just to see what is salvageable from the existing subfloor. Now, if you notice along here, those signify just screws and washers, really, you know. That signifies the frame underneath. You see that? There's those, and they are pretty consistent. You can see here, you know, they're right along there, and here. So I think it's like every 2 feet, you know. See, every 2 feet you've got like a line of screws going across. 2 feet, line of screws going across. 2 feet. You know what I mean? In fact, yeah, there they are. No, let me see. Well, maybe there is. Oh, you know what this is? I bet you this is because this is a part where they have the tanks underneath. See the water tanks? See the water tanks there? But over here, there's a little bit more going on. See that? This was rotten. Because right here is the drain for the shower. Okay? So, I mean, the subfloor is replaceable in sections. You know, like you take a section of it and just replace whatever's rotten. Or you just, you know, unscrew all these screws and lift out what's there. Now, you'll see where the subfloor has been replaced before in the past. See this piece of plywood? That's what these pieces of plywood are. That piece right there went right there. So the Achilles heel to Airstreams is the subfloor. Whenever there's a leak, let's say there's a leak somewhere, you know, in the roof, it'll drip down to the aluminum interior skin, and it'll drip down and then go into the subfloor. So the subfloor, if there's a floor on top of this subfloor, there'll be water caught underneath there. And that's when it rots out. It happens to every Airstream. I'd be shocked at how often this happens. I don't know why they didn't use a composite flooring for their Airstreams. I guess because this is cheaper. So there's 2 ways that we can do it. Like I was saying, we can go with just repeat, you know, every piece that's, you know, that's rotten, go in like 6 inches and just measure out that one section, cut it, bring it back in, drop it in, do a trace around it, and then cut out that piece of subfloor and drop the new piece in. There's about 1.5 inches